ganda.
Hi vlog, we're going to Philippines.
We're going to the Philippines. Yeah. Oh, it's your vlog. Okay.
It's my vlog.
Okay, what do you want to say to your vlog?
We're already in the airport.
Yeah. We're just waiting for the
Airplane. Yeah.
It's been almost 3 years. Nung last po na nakapunta kami Philippines. Si mama ko, 5 years. Si mama, mga 5 years na po siya. And nakita niyo naman siguro yung mga video ko dati na nasa Philippines. Ayan, so we're going na. Bye-bye. We're going. We're in Manila. Yay! We're in Philippines. And I want Jollibee. I'm so gutom.
I don't want to go in Jollibee.
Why? I forgot my handkerchief. Oh my gosh, it's raining in Manila. First bite of the Philippines. Tastes like Philippines. Guys, pag nga pala puro pala yun ang nakita niyo, ibig sabihin malapit na sa aming bahay. Grabe ang init. Ay, huwag kayong ganyan. Huwag kayong mga ano. Nanay! Ay, ba't umiiyak ka naman? Ay, gusto ko kanina.
Lot of.
We're gonna eat fried banana.
Papa.
Kumain na ba kayo?
Sunog na agad ang ate mo.
Gutom na.
Some rice.
But big. Uy, and there's a new plato.
Yan na.
Why there's a new plato here?
Oh, yummy! Yeah, some longganisa.
Fried banana.
Like, hello.
Yes.
Ate, oh.
If you are here, you need to use your hands.
Okay, you wash your hands and then.
Sarap.
I already.
Kain din ako. Kanina pa ako gutom na eh. 5 Jollibee na inalagpasan ko na. Boy, only eat banana. We eat rice.
Leave it here and then.
Pagpasa ko mga bakwit naman. Aguro-ore na niya. Gusto nila.
Si Papa to gusto eh.
One drop, man.
Papa.
Let me hold that. Ay, wow. Basang palok na gano'n, no?
This is what we call Nueva Ecija style.
Yeah. Yeah,
Balat.
sarap. Let me try the sausawan with the sampalok. With the sili, a bit like that, huh? Look, everyone.
Kanin na eh.
Good.
Ito, Papa. Nakakaabot ka ba?
Kanin?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115
picture ako.
Ako ba? We're going to SM right now. Ayun na. SM. We're here in SM. We're going to the SM. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yung buhok ko po, ganito na kasi napainit. Nanibago ako na may guard nga pala. Hello, vlog! Hello! Ang sarap ng lamig. Where's the Jollibee? Oh, daming tao ah. Finally, Jollibee! Yoo-hoo! Finally, my favorite! Yes! Ganito ba talaga kaliit ko dati? Parang lumiliit ang burger.
That's fine, di ba? How about your
Hi, Bob. Thank you.
Oh, the flag.
Oh, yummy. Spaghetti. Yes, may bata pong tuwang-tuwa. Parang hindi pumupunta ng Kate's Cafe sa Korea. At nandito po kami sa Kidzonia. Dun, 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 dun. Galing ko may internet cut na. Daming tao. Chowkin! Yay! Kain na naman! Pang-ilan na to? So, we're here in the Chowkin. Sorry guys, hindi ako nakapag-video habang nag-shopping kami kasi masyado akong sa shopping. Time to eat! Time to eat! Ito yung pinakamaliit. Ito yung maliit. Malaki pala naman small.
Ano ba yan?
Hi guys! We're here in the supermarket. We're now gonna shop. It's 8, mag-8:50. And 1 hour ang biyahe namin mula SM pa uwi. Traffic pa yan. Uwi na kami.
Yung last number.
The whole time.
Dito ka, oh. Ay, kung mahulog si nanay dyan. Ah, isa pa!
I-ayos natin. Nyari, alam ko sa buka eh. Oh, ganito na pala yung palengke ngayon, oh. Wow. Ganito na pala. Ayun na si nanay, oh. Shit, napawis. Oh, daming gulay. So, here, ang aming family dahil kami ay magsaswimming mamaya. And nakahanap ako ng favorite kong tinapay, Spanish bread. And truck! Saan papunta yung sinanay? Diyan, dati kong school. Yeah. Oh, yummy. Ganda yun. Dito po, nag-birthday ang aking lola last year. Though wala ako doon. Oh, ganda. Saya, Ella.
It's not cold. It's warm kaya.
So, here's our kaitsurahan for today's video.
Yeah.
Look at us. Maghapong walang kuryente, so this is understandable. Grabe ang init. Look at me, I'm sunog. Look at mama, she looks like a mama. Coffee time! Nakita niyo ba may mga ano na doon na ilaw-ilaw na? Ilaw-ilaw na. Ayun, ang ganda. Hindi. Ayun, ang ganda. Mas maganda pala dito ng gabi. Patikim na. Ayan po. Ang sarap naman. Sarap. Ang sarap. Hiniram ko po ang iPhone ng aking tita because mas maganda yung kanyang iPhone camera. Ay, magpipicture-picture kasi ang ganda sa labas. 엄마 나랑 같이 갈래? 사진 찍게. Hi guys! So, today, ay tsurahan ko pupunta ulit kami ng SM ulit. Bibili ng mga kailangan. And magpapakulay kasi kami ni mama. And huwag na kayong magtaka. Yung iba pumupunta sa Korea para magpakulay. Pero kami pumunta ng Philippines para magpakulay kasi mas mura po dito. Kasi naiinis na ako sa buhok ko. And umitim kasi ako guys. Sobrang laki ng initim ko. And alam niyo yun, parang ang light, parang kakulay ko na yung mukha, yung buhok ko. So gusto ko magpa-dark ng buhok. Si mama naman, may puti-puti na yung buhok niya, kaya papakulay. Grabe guys, sobrang enjoy kahapon. Sobrang enjoy. First time ko night swimming, sinabi ko na yata yan. And sobrang enjoy talaga kasi ang saya pala nun. And ang ganda kasi doon lang ako nakita ng maganda actually na parang swimming pool na maganda dito sa area namin. And ayun, ang saya mag-swimming. Gusto ko bumalik agad. What can you say about the yesterday night swimming?
It's so fun.
Yeah, it's very, very fun.
Yes.
We learned how to float.
And I want to do it again.
Me too!
Tonight?
Tonight! Me and Tita Lani tried to learn floating, but hirap mag-floating, guys. Kaya ko mag-floating kung nakaganon. Hindi kaya nakaganon. You know. Mixi na ang aking buhok. I like it. Naging dark. Oh yeah. We're gonna eat. Gutom na ako. How about you? Are you gutom na gutom na gutom na gutom na gutom na gutom na
I'm
gutom na?
starving.
Tagal natin dun, ilang oras ah. Lechong paksiw, palabok, sisig, and sinigang na bangus, baked mac, and sisig again. We're going to National Bookstore. Yeah. Guys, ito na lang. Ito na lang yung box nila. Hello guys, nag-vlog na pala ako. So I'm here in the Pangasinan and we're gonna just ride over there. Yeah, let's go. Hello vlog. Today we're going to church and after that, mag-SM kami, magpipinsan after church. So, ayun. Hintay lang namin si mamang nagre-ready pa. And we're going. Ano ba? Ako lang ba nakakakita? No? Nakikita nyo din. Ayan, ayun o, ayun o. Look at my very, very pretty cousins. And, aba yung pogi naman. Ano sino ba ito? Ito po kami sa SM. Andito kami sa Point and Grill. Kakain kami ngayon. First time ko dito. Walang ganito sa SM doon sa amin. Napakagandang pinsan. Si Megmeg. Andito naman po ako. Gumagastos na naman. Yan, may napili na ako. Favorite Wattpad books ko to nun eh. Yung Emerald tsaka Alice. Yun na kasi ako nag-Wattpad nun. Kaya ito na lang. Ito na lang. Total, hindi ko na masyado maalala yung story. I-read ko na. Guys, ano ba? Isang tuwang-tuwa talaga akong listen kapag kasama ko yung mga pinsan ko. Pare-pareho kami mahilig sa books. Kasama ko yung mga pinsan ko. Ayan. Tignan mo sila. Bising-bising sila maghanap. May recommend pa si ate. So, it means, gagastos na naman ako. Grabe, ang mahal na po ng mga books ngayon na ganito. Dati daw, before pandemic, 125 lang to. Tapos naging 199. Ngayon, 225 na po siya. Brown out sa SM. I swear here in Quantum. Hindi sanay sa Quantum, puro Tom's World. Ami is going back to Dubai. Kaya, ang ganda ng bag ni Tita Ami yun.
Ami, why you walk like that?
Kaya nga. Walk like this, oh.
Ay, talaga ba?
Bye po, ingat! Guys, we're here in the SM. Pag ilang SM ko na ba to? Anyway, but for today, I'm not here to enjoy, shop, play. We're here to buy na yung mga dadalhin namin sa Korea. Diyan. Meron tayong mga magic sarap. Kailangan natin ng sarap. And some gata. Yeah, gata. And some lychee. Yes. Wala pang lychee ganitong jelly sa Korea. And kailangan din natin ng sinigang meats. The most important. Some nor cubes, beef and pork. And many, many more. Yes. Welcome back to my vlog. Wala po kaming masakyan. Mag-iisang oras na po kaming naghihintay. 1, 2, 3. Nagkagokat ka, Day. Nasayaw kita yan.
Cannot. Oh! You have to hold the eggplant, Ella.
Okay, another
Like
one.
this, oh. Come here. That one, okay? Very good. Oh.
Wow.
Yoy, very good. You know?
Oh, can I see nga? That's too many naman.
Pick one, right? Papa, I pick one, right?
Goodbye, house. Goodbye, house. Hindi pa goodbye, nanay. Because she will be coming with us. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ganda naman ng nanay ko. Nay, ako nag-makeup dyan. Oh! We're gonna go to the airport. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kami po ay kakain ng mahal. Yeah, yeah.
Can I put this in here back?
Oo, and some chicken. My biscuit is so lucky. Para po magluto ang nanay namin. Bye, Nay. Baka may gusto kang sabihin sa akin, sabihin mo na.
Alam mo na yun.
No, hindi ko nga alam.
Iingat ka.
Yun na yun, Nay? Napakaigsi naman. Dagdag mo ng mga 2 sentence.
I love you.
Love to lang. Sa bilitan. She's my nana, excuse me.
Alagaan mo yung sarili na. Okay, kayo man, lalo kayo. Papa, you hug nanay na. Ella. You hug na.
Nay, baba mo daw yung kilay mo.
Eh, paano ko ba iba? Nanay dali. Ito po ibababa. Legs.
Wow, ganda ni nanay ko.
Nang-miss you naman. My daughter here in the Philippines, but in Korea, my niece, right?
Grabe guys, ang tubig dito sa airport. 40 to 50 pesos. Grabe naman yan. So, what can you say about our vacation to Philippines?
Is good.
And
That's it.
what
And
is your favorite part of your vacation?
of my vacation, then I met everyone.
You wanna be bad food?
Oh, that you met everyone.
Yeah.
Are you gonna miss them? Oh, me too.
That's why she cried.
I didn't.
You did.
I did not.
You got my towel and you wipe it in your eyes. What is that?
Ano nga? Ito talaga.
Cause this time of night feels so unearthly.
Give me my money! Just give me my money! Just give me my money!
Just give me my money. What?
Come here. I'm sorry. Oh, you showed it na. The TikTok like that, so Ella will know.
No.